Hey guys, in this video we're gonna go over how to buy NFL season tickets. So you come here to Ticketmaster.com and here you can browse through a wide selection of NFL tickets at Ticketmaster. Now this is the official ticketing partner, okay, of the NFL, and additional tickets are also available closer to the game day, so you can keep checking back. So you can choose whatever team you want for. Let's say you're interested in the New York Jets. Click on Find Tickets. You can see the home schedule as well. And then on this page, you will be picking your seats, right? Your location, your dates, your games. So here, for example, let's say for this game, there's no dates yet, but you can come here and pick your seats and book your tickets online. So let's just wait for this page to load up and I'll show you. So this is loading up. As you can see, this is the official ticketing of partner of the NFL. Okay, so here we just wait. You come here, pick your seat, right? Pick your seats, and then you can go ahead and go through with your purchase. Really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided a value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.